Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Monday and marks another beginning of a new week. So, before we go to the chart, let's check fundamentals for the entire week. Today, we have pending home sales at 2 p.m. It is a medium impact. Also, Donald Trump speaks at 5:15. That's also a medium impact. On Tuesday, we have Canadian bank holiday, and also at 2 p.m. job openings, we're expecting negative. Consumer confidence, we're expecting positive. And on Wednesday, the Chinese bank holiday starts on Wednesday. So if you trade Chinese pairs, you know what to do. And on Wednesday, we have ADP non-farm employment, of which we're expecting negative. ISM manufacturing PMI at 2 p.m. On Thursday, we have unemployment claims. And on Friday, we have NFP. All right. So we have NFP on Friday. And if you look at it, you're actually expecting positive NFP. Is it going to happen like that or not? Time will tell. So let's go back to the chart. Gold is crazy, bro. Over the weekend, this is the analysis I did, and I was expecting to see the market testing that level and drop all the way to the downside, but gold chose otherwise. So let's go and do it again. Now, if you look at weekly charts, hey, that's crazy. If you look at weekly, you can see gold is still pumping all-time highs. Now, gold has hit $2,808 per ounce. So on weekly, I can't really say much about weekly. So let's go back to daily. And the reason I was expecting a sell was because of this. You can see we have a bearish engulfing, and then the market went back testing the bearish engulfing and got rejected. So I was expecting to see a drop all the way to 36.90 zone to even 36.45 for a continuation push to the upside, but he chose otherwise, of course. So H4. Now, if you look at H4, this is it. You can see that we were having a nice bearish engulfing it didn't even formed here, but something happened of which we can't just ignore. You can see that as the bearish engulfing formed, it formed on a support, right? That was a breakout. That is why it has been invalidated, because bearish engulfing on a support, the market choose otherwise. So, of course, it has chosen to go upside, forming a new all-time high. So what exactly can we do today? If the H4 candle closes as it is now, then what we will have to do is to wait for a pullback. Wait for a pullback here, then we'll continue on with the buys. All right. But a new all-time high like this, always it becomes difficult to actually buy or sell, but of course, we will just follow what we see and not what we think. So we will observe when the market comes back to this zone. If we see what we want to see, we can go in and buy. All right. If not, we wait. Okay. Yeah, if not, we wait. So for now, just be on the sidelines, relax yourself, wait. When the road is clear, when we see what we want to see, of course, we will go in and trade. On 30-minute chart, this is how it looks like. You can see that the market did, that was last week. So this week it just started pumping, came for a pullback, and now flying to the moon. So guys, just be on the sidelines and wait. Okay? Just be on the sidelines and wait. We will observe these zones. When the market comes back and we get clear confirmations, we are going to load some buys. So this is PiP Hunter here, and the PiP must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can save you in bad times. So until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.